Welcome to Powerops Desktop. Have you ever inherited a messy Power BI report with multiple pages, dozens of visuals, and no idea where to start optimizing it? Today, I'll show you how to audit and optimize your reports in seconds using the Analyze feature in Powerops Desktop. This tool provides a detailed breakdown of your report, helping you identify performance issues, unnecessary visuals, and filter overload all in just one click. Simply go to Browse, add your file, and Analyze in Powerops Desktop. This will generate a report breakdown showing you everything from number of visuals to applied filters and even custom visuals. Here's what the tool reveals about this report. There are 66 visuals. That's a lot. Do we really need all of them? There are 6 pages. Are some pages redundant? There are 38 filters. Too many filters can slow down performance. Now let's take a look at the visual types used in this report. The tool shows there are 17 tables. Are all these necessary? Or should we use visual summaries instead? There are 15 text boxes. Maybe some of them can be grouped together. 9 slicers. Excessive slicers can impact performance. Could we consolidate these slicers? By optimizing these, we can make the report faster and more user-friendly. One key finding is that we have 38 filters applied across different pages. This can cause performance issues, especially if the filters are overlapping or redundant. A good practice is to use fewer or more effective filters. Another common issue in Power BI reports is excessive use of calculated columns instead of measures. Since calculated columns increase memory usage, replacing them with measures can significantly improve performance. Powerops Desktop helps identify these and suggest optimizations. Based on our analysis, here's how we can optimize this report. We can reduce the number of visuals, especially tables and slicers. We can consolidate filters to improve performance. We can convert calculated columns into measures to reduce memory load. By following these steps, you can make your Power BI report lighter, faster, and easier to maintain. Do you want to make your Power BI reports faster, lighter, and more efficient? Try the Powerops Desktop application today.